How's it going, everyone? One of my most favorite stocks that had a big, massive move of over 355% is DATS. I'm definitely watching this one. As you can see from my analysis, what I do like to do is I like the retest type pattern. The market was just absolutely ugly on Wednesday, January 8th, and this stock went down 64%. Okay, so what I'm looking to do excuse me, sorry. What I'm looking to do for this stock is to get in very soon here. I can see that this EMA 10 has held, and I can very easily see this being the ground of support where it just goes up, okay? I'm looking at a bunch of other stocks. This one has hit my scanner where it's very bullish. And the reason why why I like this the most is all the EMAs are lined up in an orderly fashion. We have the 5, the 10, the 20, and the 50. When the 50 is at the very bottom, that means it is a very, very strong uptrend that is formed. For a stock to go this far up, I mean, look, it went up all the way $9 and then it obviously pulls back a lot. And so this caused this EMA 50 to really be up there, right? But you can also see too, like, when did we start switching trends here? You can really see right in here. This EMA 50 was at the very bottom right in here. It was giving us an early signal like something's happening here, right? And then we had also two right in here. You know, you see how it up in here. I think we get something like you see how we hit this upper band. I'm only taking my trades if we hit this upper counter channel. So we hit it up right in here, and of course we're going to sell off. So we hit it way up in here, and it went massively, and then we sell off. So where do I look to enter? Well, based on past experiences, around this EMA 10 is where we make those next big moves up. Right here, the next day it went up 30%, 32, and that's beautiful. And if it does something like this where it goes through the 20 and then almost touches the 50, that's even a better signal where you can add in and then it'll make a nice move of 35% from there. I'm definitely looking at this. I really think this is a really nice bounce effect play. If it really touches this 20, it'll be even better. I just don't see it going from here. I mean, we're only looking at strong support. You see this long lower wick, but as you can see, that is an 18% drop if we go from 321 to around 260. But here's what I would like to do is if we do start to get really weak here, I am going to buy it on this 10. And I usually like to do halfway mark. So if we go halfway through the EMA 10 and then the 20, that's usually how I like to do the stop loss. So for this instance, if I buy it right here on 314 area, my stop loss is going to be right around 285, okay? So just keep that in mind. Around always halfway mark of the EMA 10 and 20. You like to give it some wiggle room because if it does kind of like penetrate, give it some wiggle room like this where the bulls take it back up. So, the thesis is you can always get in on that next level. So let's say it goes to that 20. Well, you saved yourself another 9% loss, and then you just take it on the 20, okay? If I fail 2 times on this, then I will just call it a day and be like, you know what, I'm going to play another ticker. I think this is a really nice buy. I don't see how we just keep breaking through levels without a massive bounce. A lot of the times with my system, when you see this big upper counter channel this is important, along with the EMA 50 as support, like at the very bottom. If you don't see the EMA 50 at the very bottom, let's say it's in the middle, then you need to start questioning, is this as strong as an uptrend? And these are big levels that has to go through. For a stock to go all the way up $9, retrace back to $3, you're going to imagine there's going to be some demand in that zone where people are going to want to bounce this back up. And I've seen stocks go all the way to another high, right? I've seen that. But my profit is always at least 10%. So if I'm buying it right here on this EMA 10, my profit margin, I'm looking at to sell it at 350, okay? That's very doable. Right now it's at 321. I want to see if it pulls back quite a bit more at this EMA 10, and that's where I'm going to buy it, okay? If I see it where it just opens and we just plummet through this EMA 10, then I might just look for the EMA 20, okay? I might just do that. It just really depends. I got to see how the market reacts, and I got to view my other trades. What other trade is the best setup I'm going to take? I don't see how this is a bad setup. This is a really nice setup, in my opinion, where it had a massive move up. You retest that EMA, and I only play these trades if we pierce this upper counter channel. I had this at extremely overextended settings, and it just means the trend is very bullish. When this EMA 50 is at the very bottom, it's just a nice little code to be like, hey, this is a very big demand zone. We saw it over here. Did we not see it over here where we had price come to that EMA 50 and we pumped up? We had price come back to the 50 and it consolidated and we had another big pump. we're always making my 10% returns, right? And that's literally the target that you want to do. Make those quick returns, have a very tight stop loss. If it does go to the next level, no big deal. You have a tight stop of about 9%. Not a big deal. And then you take it on the 10, and then you know what? And say you want at least 15% profit because this is a stronger level, and you can see how you can get much bigger move. So, and that's kind of how I play these trades, okay? I play these trades based on this analysis, right? Nothing is perfect in trading, so you got to make sure you have a plan. Have a plan before you even get in the stock, and then I promise you, you're going to love this system of trading with the trend, right? This is a very nice stock. I love this. It's based in United States. They deal with software IT. I do think this can really get going, guys. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Take it how it is. You can already see that the EMA 10 is holding. It went a little above it. And then the bulls are coming in. The algos are picking up on this. So this is definitely on my #1 alert for a big breakout retest type pattern, okay? Definitely keep this on high alert. I think it can go way higher than 10%. I'm just being conservative. I take 10% because a lot of people will be like, get a little greedy and they're just shooting for, new highs, which it can. It's just not as likely, right? So my personal thing is have a realistic target, guys, because there's so many stocks you get in. I got plenty of stocks in the Discord. And matter of fact, if you wanted to join the premium Discord, click the link down below in YouTube comments below and in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts and system. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. All you have to do is hit day trade alerts, and it'll give you access to my highest tier membership. And guess what, guys? It's only $12 a month. It's going to be the cheapest, most effective way you can trade with no BS, okay? It's literally a strategy that works. Very easy to know. If you put a little effort into this and learn this, I have plenty of strategies. I have trading with the trend, trading against the trend for swing trading, and my day trading is selling credit spreads that I would love to teach. It's a little more advanced, but it's the best, in my opinion, to make money every day, and it's a really nice strategy. I love selling credit spreads. That's why I say I recommend doing the day and swing trading plus membership. It's my highest tier of only $12. If that's too much, then you can hit swing trade alerts, and it's only $6 a month just for swing trades. And I give you guys the images, reasons of why I'm doing it. Strong companies like, for example, I took QBTS right in here, and we made over 30% gains on this trade. And I tell you guys exactly what I'm looking at. We took Lay's. Lay's was a beautiful setup right in here. Look at Lay's. I pinpointed the exact EMA. I liked it. The market was weak, so I skipped the EMA 20 and we went to the 50, and this thing made over 70% gains. All right. Now, keep in mind, you're never going to catch the top or the bottom, so that's why I say keep a realistic target. Price can go slightly under the EMAs. If it goes halfway in the mark, then guess what? We reevaluate the trade and we take it on another thing. All right. So this is my analysis on DATS. I'm definitely going to be buying this one. I'll alert it in the Discord, and I'll kind of observe the price action. Maybe I want it at the 20, but if I see that we're kind of holding this 10, I'll take it at the 10. Okay, guys. And also, if you do subscribe, guys, do it on your computer. It'll avoid the iOS fee. If you do have an Android, you will have to subscribe on your computer or your phone's browser. I think this is a really nice thing. I wish I had this back in the day. I was really just chasing any plays. Like, I would play DATS. I see it up way up here. It gets any pullback, I get in. Whereas I'm not really looking at crucial levels. If you can get really precise entries, then that's when you can really be in control of your trading, right? And I'm seeing these levels work over and over and over again. We've seen this on the last pump, right? We had this nice big upper band move. We come back to the 10. And guess what? We had this nice big pump, right? I love the EMA 10 area. It's a really nice, it's very, that's where oftentimes I see the big pumps happening, okay? 5 and 10, but just judging based on the price action, I really decide on which level I want to take it. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching this video. Give this video a like, subscribe, comment. I hope to see you in the Discord. It's very affordable. I think you guys are going to really learn a lot. Highly recommend the Day and Swing Trading Plus membership. It's going to give you guys the most trades. Trades will be alerted to your phone with reasoning, and most importantly, watch the education videos. You guys you want to learn more why you're taking a trade instead of just blindly taking trades, okay? All right, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Happy trading, and let's make some money.